Mukunguta, the meteorological officer at Hwedza Meteorological Office in Hwedza district. The total rainfall for November is 26.3 millimeters of rainfall, because on the 5th of November we recorded 7.0 millimeters of rainfall, and on the 6th we recorded 9.0 millimeters of rainfall. The total rainfall is 26.3. So this rainfall is not conducive for planting, but for land preparation. So we are waiting for next rainfall to come and see if we can plant. The 11th of November 2024, we recorded a maximum temperature of 35 degrees before the rains at midnight. The 12th of November 2024, we recorded a maximum of 25 degrees at 2 o'clock in the afternoon.